Here it is. The medley. Yeah. Go us.
The caissons go rolling along.
Guess they start with the weak ones.
You don't get hurt.
What?
These are the weak ones?
Yeah.
You can only get stronger from here.
It's the Air Force.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why am I getting
Oh,
hurt?
that's right, that one army, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know my military hymnals.
Yeah. That's the chair force.
Yeah. Chair Force. Let no Danish go unguarded. No coffee pot stay full.
Marine Corps.
No, I can't say they're pretty tough. Got a lot of respect for those Marines.
Young one?
What?
Those look like lips.
There's a plane. Yep. There's a plane flying through it.
Oh, they must be saving the best for last.
Yep. Coast Guard is. We went too deep.
Don't hurt him, he's already injured.
Jim's not Coast Guard. He just works for the Yahoos.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure how close you lied with that.
There you go.
Green ones. Yep, there we go.
Sing it.
All kinds of green.
Bum.
That's for joint operation.
Away, my boy, anchors away. Farewell to college joys, we sail at the break of day. Through our last night ashore, drink to the foam. Until we meet again, here's wishing you a happy voyage home. Go Navy! God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. My country, 'tis of thee.
Ooh, hearts.
Smiley face.
Oh, it's big. Mario, there we go.
It's good.
Oh, there's a smiley face.
Yeah. Oof.
Ooh. Ah.
We missed the model of Oaks at the church, didn't we?
Yeah. We're gonna catch the tall ones over there.
America is a tune, and it must be sung together. Please rise for our national anthem.
You're okay.
Bum, bum. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bum, bum.
Woo!
God bless America.
Yeah.
We need
Amen.
it.
And the moon's cool too.
Look at the moon over there.
Wow.
Look at the cool flag.
Is that it?
That was 20,000.